Joining me in the Health Hub is Tim McNichols, Executive Director at Lighthouse Insurance Group based in Independence. If someone loses their job and health insurance, they're usually offered COBRA first. Can you explain what this is and who it might benefit?
There's advantages for COBRA in that it's the same exact coverage that you have currently. So if you're in the midst of, being treated for something or have had a family member that, still has, treatments for whatever conditions, that may be your best bet so that you aren't having to kind of start over. You're going to pay the full boat for that coverage now, not only the employee portion, but what your company was paying for. So there's some things to consider from that standpoint. And you're also going to usually pay a small administrative fee. So the costs are, go up a little bit there. You have some flexibility with COBRA in that you have some time to make the decision. You don't have to take it right away. But if you are going to use or continue to use your insurance, you must start paying on the premiums. So you have to kind of take that into account if you're going to consider COBRA.
Can someone who just lost their job still have access to the federal health insurance marketplace, otherwise known as healthcare.gov?
But there's something called a qualifying life event, and that would be usually it's a change in job status, which that can impact a lot of people today. Something along the lines of a marriage or a birth, even a death in the family. Different things are going to trigger that, what they call a QLE or qualified life event. And a loss of your job will normally trigger that, being able to get access to the marketplace. So that's your next bet. The only thing that you really have to take into account there is you're not going to have help. You're going to have, to go on that and kind of navigate it yourself. There isn't, a lot of options for that. So unless, you like doing your own taxes, you may not find it to be, fun. It's get somebody to help you.
Committed to bringing you facts, not fear. Monica Robbins, 3 News.